All right, we begin right after the 12, right here. Here's our first little dot. And we learned that these little dots are, they're 1 minute, okay? So we count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We start here, we count our minutes. There are 5 between this number and this number, okay? We learned we can count our minutes by increments of 5 if they're on one of the numbers, okay? So I would be 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and 60. Everybody, do we say 60 or do we say?
O'clock.
O'clock. Good. All right, so that means that we have reached a full hour, okay? We had so much fun with that, like on Monday, Tuesday. We had to do it again. Okay, all right, so now we're going to learn something totally new today. So exciting. All right, so I'm going to lay this down. All right, today we are going to look at 2 clocks. Okay, so the first thing that I want you to do today is to find the time on this clock and then your time on this clock, and we are going to compare. So I'm at like level 4 of clocks because now I know how to read my hour, I know how to read my minutes and get a time. So now I'm going to compare 2 clocks, okay? They're going to have different times, and then we're going to talk about how much time is there between this time and this time on the clock, okay? So, all right, let's get started. All right, girls, you're up first. Grab your clocks. Let's go. Here we go. All right, come on up here, ladies. You're already ready. You can come up. You're already ready.
We didn't know we moved.
That's okay. All right, here we go. This clock is being funny. All right, we good? All right, so we have these 2 clocks. All right, let's swap you guys. You get on the left and you get on the right. Okay, so our first job is to find our time. All right, boys, you're up. Just let's be paying attention. We got this going on. All right, boys, if I'm looking at my first clock, what hand should I find first? Short or long?
The short.
Short, good. What is my short hand going to tell me?
The hour.
The hour, good. So I need to go find my shorthand first. All right, guys, where is the shorthand? What number is it on?
The 3.
Near, good. It's by the 3. All right, good. What's the second thing I need to find on the clock?
The minute
Long
hand.
hand.
My long hand, good, which is my minute hand. You're right. The long hand, the minute hand, okay? All right, boys, here's my start of my race right here on this number 1. Now, how am I going to find out how many minutes there are?
You can count by 5s.
Good. I can count by 5s, or I could just count by 1s if I wanted to sit here all day and count these little 1 dots, couldn't I?
Right.
But whatever floats your boat. If you get it right, who cares? There's many ways to do math. That's the cool thing. All right, good. So, all right, guys, y'all want to count by 5s?
Yes.
All right, let's go, guys. Find our minutes.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30.
Good. So our minutes are on 30. So what time does this clock say, guys?
3:30.
Very good. Yay. Woo! You got an Oreo. All right, good. So let's go to our next clock. Here we go. All right. Boys, what hand are we finding first? Quick, quick, quick.
Shorthand.
Shorthand. What hand is that?
The hour hand.
The hour hand. All right, what hour is it?
3.
All right, what hand do we find next?
The long hand.
The long hand. What hand is that?
The minute hand.
The minute hand. Good. All right, let's go find our minutes. All right, here we go. We count by 1s or 5s?
5,
All right, let's do it.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40.
Ooh, I have 40 minutes in this hour. Okay, good. So what is my time going to be? What number I say first?
The
3.
3, the hour hand. Good. All right, what time is it, guys?
3:40.
Yay! You're on the ball today. Okay, good. So now that was level 1. We know how to tell time now. We got this. But now our new thing today is we're going to compare these 2 times, okay? So let's just think. Let's make it a real world problem. So I get off that school bus, baby, at 3:30. Okay? I'm ready for a snack, but I got to do my homework first. So I do my homework, and when I get done with my homework, it is now this time. So that means that I have added to my time. I have gone forward in time. We can't go backwards in time. We don't have no time machine, do we?
Nope.
So we have to go forward, okay? So I started my work at 3:30. I was finished with my work at 3:40.
Wow.
That's some quick homework. All right, so here we go. So let's count. If I was here and I have to go all the way to here, let's see how many minutes are between these 2 times, okay? So let's count. All right, I'm here. 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 7 minutes, 8 minutes, 9 minutes, 10 minutes.
Wow.
So there's 10 minutes between the time that I started and the time that I finished. Okay? So, what is another way I could have did that, guys? Did I have to count by ones?
Now you gotta count by fives.
I could have counted by fives. I could have said I started here, so there's 5 minutes. 5 plus 5 is 10. Good. So we could have counted by ones, or we could have counted by fives, right? Okay. All right. Or I could go to the board and I could say, I started at 3:30. All right. I finished at it was 3:40, sorry. Started at 3:30, I finished at 3:40. I could come here and I could just subtract my time. All right, how many minutes did it take me?
10.
10, it took me 10 minutes. So, do you see what I mean when I say there are many ways to do math? I don't care which way you do it. Everybody thinks differently. As long as you got your right answer, whatever floats your boat. All right, next. Thank you, girls. You did a great job. All right, guys, come on up here with those clocks. Here we go. All right, guys. So we are telling time. Girls, are they gonna beat you?
No.
They got all their answers right. Oh, let's see if they win. Boys against girls today. All right, girls. Here we go. We have our first clock. What hand should we look at first?
The short hand.
The short hand, the red hand. What hand is that, girls?
The hour hand.
The hour hand. Very good. All right, so let's go on our first clock and let's find our short hand. Where is our short hand pointed, girls?
The number 8.
It's on the number 8. Good. So we know it's 8 something, don't we? Okay, good. All right, so now let's find, what do we find now?
Our long hand.
Our long hand. What hand is that?
Minute hand.
Minute hand. Good. All right, girls. Here we go. Let's go to where we start our race and let's begin. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many minutes did we already go through in the 8 hour?
15 minutes.
15 minutes. Very good. Was there another way I could have found those minutes, girls?
Yes.
Well, how could I do it?
Count by 5.
Count by fives. All right, I'm going to start the race. Here we go. 5,
10, 15.
Awesome sauce. Oh, you know what else I could have thought about? I could have thought about there's 1, 2, 3. There's three little jumps, and each one has 5 minutes. So what's 3 times 5, girls?
15.
Oh, what? That's a super fast way, isn't it? See, I don't care which way you do it because as long as you're right, it doesn't matter. Everybody can do it differently. All right, great. So what time was this clock, girls?
8:15.
8:15. Ooh, they getting it. Oh, let's see if they beat you. All right, girls, let's go to our second clock. Okay, girls, what's the hand we finding first?
The hour hand.
Short hand, the hour hand, good. All right, where is it at?
It's in between the 8 and 9.
Oh, girls, between the 8 and the 9. So I have to think to myself, is it to the 9 yet?
No.
No, that means it cannot be 9 something yet. It's still got to be what?
8 something.
8 something. We got to find out. Okay, good. So our hour is the 8 hour. We're not to the 9 yet, so we're going to stay with our 8. All right, girls, now what do we need to find?
Our long hand.
Our long hand. Oh, y'all are just doing such a great job. All right, so long hand. All right, girls, what do you want to count by? 1s or 5s?
5.
All right, let's do it, girls. We start here and
5,
10, 15, 20,
25, 30,
35.
35. All right, what time is it, girls?
8:35.
Yay! Y'all did such a good job. Awesome sauce. Now, could I have counted all those little dots, all the dots that represent 1 minute?
Yes.
Could I do that? I could have. I would have been sitting here for a long time. But whatever floats your boat, doesn't matter to me. Okay, good. So, girls, we have 8:15 and we have 8:35. All right? So, let's say I start my bell ringer at 8:15. All right? Now, I get over here and the ding, my little teacher, her timer goes off at 8:35. So now I want to think to myself, how much time does she give me to do that bell ringer? How could I find out, girls? I got to go from here all the way to the 35. How could I find out, girls?
Count by
Count
5.
by 5.
Ooh, I can count by 5. So I start here and I got to go all the way to here, count by 5s. Okay, let me do this. Okay. It's 8:15. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 20. Oh,
Just to the 35.
what did I just do? Oh, stop. Okay. All right. So let's look at our clock. So we started at 8:15. So let's go over here. We started here, and we got to go all the way around to here. We're gonna find out how many minutes are between 8:15 and 8:35. Okay, here we go. All right. So let's count by 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20. So how many minutes did I have to do my bell ringers, girls?
20
20 minutes.
I had 20 minutes. Very good. Awesome. Y'all are so smart. All right, girls and boys, it's a tie, baby. They're doing so good. All right, thanks, guys. Good five. Good job. Good job. All right, GWOD. All right, girls, you're up. Let's roll. Okay. Go. All right, awesome. All right, boys. Oh, it's a close tie, baby. Everybody's doing such a great job listening today and thinking about it and applying what they learned. Y'all so smart. All right, let's go. All right, boys, talk to me. What hand we looking at?
The long
And
hand.
the short hand.
The long hand or the short hand?
The short hand.
The short hand. Ooh. All right, so my short hand is on what?
The 4.
Okay, good. What am I next looking at?
The long hand.
Long hand. All right, what's that gonna give me? What's that measure?
Minutes.
Minutes. Oh, that's good. All right, let's go to the start of our race. Y'all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Go.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25.
All right, so my hour is 4, my minutes are 25. What time is it?
4:25.
4:25. Good. All right, next. Here we go. All right, let's go to our second clock and find out what time it is. All right, boys, what am I looking at first?
Short hand.
Short hand. Okay, what's my short hand on?
4.
Good job. Good job. All right, what am I looking at next?
The long hand.
Long hand. That's my what hand?
Minute hand.
Minute hand. Minute hand comes second. All right, good. So let's go. All right, boys, you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's do this. Go.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45.
Ooh, that multiply by 5 rap song. Oh, it was so good. It stuck in our brains, didn't it? Okay. Ooh, girls, what do you see? Everybody say,
Oh.
what's that mean? When it's pointed straight up at the 12, we say what, everybody? O'clock. Okay, good. So this is so easy. So easy peasy lemon squeezy. All right, what time does this say, girls?
11 o'clock.
Oh, say it so fun. 11 o'clock. Put your hand up, girls. O'clock. Good job. So this is simple, easy peasy. What hand am I looking at first?
The hour hand.
The hour hand, which is the
Short hand.
short hand. Very good. So what is the hour hand on?
11.
11 o'clock. 11 o'clock. All right, love doing that. It's too fun. All right, so 11 o'clock. And now, let's see. I go all the way from 11 to over here. I got to start here and go all the way. What time does this clock say, girls?
11:25.
11:25. Oh, my gosh. All right, y'all ready to find out how many minutes is between 11 o'clock and 11:25?
Yes.
All right, let's do it, girls. Go.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25.
What time is it?
11:25.
Yay! You're so awesome. They do good?
No.
He said no. Look, I got to give everybody an Oreo. Woo! Good job. All right, y'all did awesome job today. Thank you so much, boys. Great job.